In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a bot in Pump.fun for the best coin filter. To do this effectively, you'll want to use an advanced trading bot such as Photon or a Telegram-based bot like Trojan because these tools give you more control over filtering and help you avoid low-quality launches. The goal here is not just to catch any new coin, but to filter out the ones that are likely dead on arrival and focus only on tokens showing early signs of real activity. The first setting to pay attention to is bonding curve progress, also referred to here as King of the Hill, or KOATH progress. Set your bot so it only triggers when a coin reaches at least 30% bonding curve progress. This is one of the most important filters because it immediately removes a huge number of weak tokens that fail almost as soon as they appear. In simple terms, if a coin hasn't even made it far enough along the bonding curve, it usually hasn't attracted enough momentum to be worth your attention. Next, set the minimum market cap to $4,750. This creates a basic quality threshold and helps make sure the token has at least some level of support behind it. Very low market cap coins can move fast, but they also tend to be more fragile and far more likely to collapse quickly. By setting this minimum, you're narrowing your focus to tokens that have already shown a little stability. After that, adjust the minimum volume filter to $5,000. Volume matters because it tells you whether people are actually buying and selling the token. Without enough volume, even a coin that looks promising at first can turn out to be inactive or manipulated. A healthy minimum volume gives you a better chance of seeing genuine market participation. You should also set a minimum buyer count of around 10 to 20 early buyers. This is useful because it helps confirm human interest rather than activity coming mostly from a single creator or very limited wallets. A broader buyer base can be an early sign that the coin is attracting attention naturally. When you combine these filters together, you create a much cleaner stream of opportunities. Instead of reacting to every new token, your bot will highlight coins that already meet basic momentum, support, and participation criteria. That makes your setup more selective, more practical, and much easier to manage. Use these values as your foundation, then monitor results and refine carefully based on your own trading style. The key is to stay disciplined and let the filters do the heavy lifting.